The cutest bunny in the world. We need markers, color pencil, and paper.
Let's get started. Okay. The first step, we need to make the eyes. You make like an egg. 1 egg, 2 egg, 2 eggs. Okay. Now the shiny, big shiny white. And the little one. Good. Now you make a line like me. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. A little one. A cute little nose
so
of bunny.
cute.
And the mouth. Super. Super ooper. Now the head. You need to make a line like a rainbow. Good. Now 1, 2. Aw, so cute. Now the hand. Now the ears. Super ears. And inside you make a space. It's okay.
I like my bunny.
Me too.
It's super.
Super cute. Okay. Make the line of the head. And now make a line of hands here and here. Good. Okay. Now make the belly like this. It's okay. Now make the circle or the feet. Good. And other feet. The last one. Good. And the tail. A cute bunny tail. Oh, forget the eggs. No. Very good, babe. 1, 2, 3. Because this is the Easter bunny. Very good. Give me 5. Let's get colors.
Yeah.